Hello, welcome to our screencast. Today I'm going to demonstrate our research project prototype. We have not done completely, but we are excited to show our progress. So let's first see what was our project. So our target was that we will analyze Google prediction API performance using Twitter data to classify our ongoing US primary elections. So our main initial plan was that we will collect tweets from the Twitter using their streaming API, and then we will test our collected data according to our trained data set. So today we are going to show our collection part. So let's jump onto that. So as you see, our project is Twitter Spark, and there are a couple of classes here. For example, entity model, hashtag model, and the different stuff. The main class, the important class is Twitter filter stream. So yeah, we are right now in our Twitter filter stream class, and there are if we look into the outline, there are some functions like main functions, spark initialize functions, test packet storage. So what we have done, we have connected to the Twitter client. We are getting the streaming Twitter, and we have not used Spark streaming for this. This is a separate purely Java based project here. And when we got the tweet from Twitter streaming, we are storing that tweets in Parquet storage by thousand tweets at a time. So if we just see how it operates, I will try to give a brief explanation or go through with that. In our main file, we are just creating our object here, and we are initializing our Spark here, and then we are just calling a run method. This is not a thread run method, this is a simply run method. So if we just go there, we are setting our consumer key and the tokens, and we are tracking some terms here. For example, Sanders, Feel the Burn, Super Tuesday, and the other stuff. We have not decided yet here how to properly define the term list. We are working on that. So we have set up our auth and connecting to the client, and then until the client is done, this is as it is for test purpose. We are working on our local machine, so we are not going to collect indefinitely. That's why we are collecting let's say 100 in a batch mode, like 100 tweets will be stored in a single each 100 tweets will be collected and will be written to a Parquet file, and it will be operated for 10 times. So when we are done collecting 100 tweets, we are just starting a new thread here, internal thread that will write to a Parquet file, tweet.parquet, in the append mode. So whenever our thread collection has finished, we are just testing our Parquet storage, so that can we read from our Parquet file. Here we faced couple of difficulties and error handling stuff. I'm not going to go through all over them, as this is a very limited overview. So it's like that. I am mentioning my Parquet file here, registering as the Parquet file. This is temporary table, as Professor Dr. Madiraju said. Then we are selecting the tweet text only from our Parquet file from the temporary table, and we are trying to collect on the RDD. For each row we are just appending tweet dot get string here, and then finally we are just printing in the console. So that's all. Let's try this as a Java application. If you just see here, it is connected to this IP and port 172.4041, and this is connecting to this endpoint of the Twitter stuff on the Twitter part. So it depends on how much time it requires to collect this amount of tweets, because it really collecting the tweets on from real time. So we are not sure about that, how much time it may take to hear. If you can see, these logs are basically as it is writing to the Parquet file, and it's just written into 2 times yet, but we have set 10 times as our if you see into our code, it means that we should have 10 logs here, because we are writing 10 times in our Parquet file. It is going to take some time here. So if you see that our task is completed, and let's go back, and there are a lot of tweets that are printing here. This is the folder Ivocan ready for American refugees Super Tuesday. So that's a tweet that we got from lots of tweets. There should be 100 multiplied by 10,000 tweets here. My console is overloaded here for this case. So that's all so far. Our next target is to prepare the track list according to our needs, and actually the term list, and to prepare our training data from news sites and the other stuff, directing which text belongs to a positive sentiment to which person or which candidate. And that's it. We are hopeful that we'll be able to see some results from these projects. Thank you.